Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a one-click upsell app to your Shopify store in just a few minutes. This is one of the easiest ways to increase your average order value and make more profit from every sale. So let's get started. First, head over to the Shopify App Store. Once you're there, search for an app called Upsell. It's one of the best one-click upsell apps available, with hundreds of 5-star reviews from Shopify merchants. Upsell stands out because of its advanced targeting features, great design options, and excellent customer support, so it works well for all kinds of stores, big or small. Once you find Upsell in the App Store, click Install. After the installation is complete, open the app from your Shopify admin dashboard. Now, inside Upsell, go to the Funnels tab. This is where you'll set up your first upsell funnel. You'll see two options on this page. The first one is called the Upsell machine. This is a pre-built funnel. It's already optimized to increase your average order value. Perfect if you want something fast and effective. You can still go in later and tweak the settings if you want to customize it. The second option lets you start from scratch. If you want full control, you can create your own funnel, choose which products to upsell, write your own copy, and decide on the discounts and targeting rules. Once you've set it up, your one-click upsell is live and ready to go. After your funnel is running, it's time to track your results. Check how many orders include your upsells. Look at your average order value and monitor your conversion rate. These numbers will show you how much extra revenue your upsell is bringing in if you want to take it a step further. Use Upsell's built-in split testing feature. You can test different offers, product images, headlines, or discount percentages to see which version performs the best. And that's it. Scott, you've successfully added a one-click upsell app to your Shopify store. It's a simple upgrade that can make a big difference in your overall revenue. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.